Welcome to USA Fitness Fusion. Today, we're diving into yoga for runners, focusing on enhancing flexibility and boosting recovery. Whether you're an experienced runner or just starting, yoga can help you stay injury-free and reach your running goals. Point number 1. Why yoga helps runners. Running is great for cardiovascular fitness, but it can sometimes lead to tight muscles and stiffness. Yoga is the perfect way to counterbalance this by improving flexibility, helping muscles recover faster, and keeping you running stronger. Point number 2. Key yoga poses for flexibility. Let's look at a few yoga poses perfect for runners. First up, downward dog. This pose stretches your hamstrings and calves, releasing tension. Next, the pigeon pose targets the hip flexors and glutes. Finally, the low lunge is excellent for stretching the hips and thighs. Point number 3. Benefits for recovery. Yoga isn't just about flexibility, it's also fantastic for recovery. Incorporating yoga into your routine can reduce muscle soreness, improve joint mobility, and keep you feeling refreshed after each run. So, if you're ready to enhance your running performance and speed up recovery, try adding yoga to your routine. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to USA Fitness Fusion, and hit the notification bell for more tips on fitness